Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. This is a personal word to my friend Emma Ritza at Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop. Hello, Emma. It's October 24th. Is that it? Yeah, October 24th, a little after 9 p.m. California time. Thought I'd record this, say hello. How are you? And if you didn't read my last email, warning. When I went looking for you Wednesday morning to get on the live stream, I saw them listing you in gaming and games. That looks like it would work perfectly, dear. Is it cheap?
Well, that one's the used one, but I found a brand new one for $11.50. The used one, he wants $25.
Oh, well, let's go for new since it's less than used.
It's $11.50 plus $5.56 shipping, $16.
Oh, well, I'm not worth it, but
Yes, you are.
when would it be here, you think?
Yeah, a couple of days.
Oh, I might be back up with a POV cam in less than a week. It was looking like end of January. Anyway, Emma, I was looking for you Wednesday morning to watch the live stream and chat with y'alls, and I saw you listed in gaming. Something I found out earlier today watching a YouTube video is a little while ago. YouTube apparently scanned through platform-wide looking at everyone's channels and going, kid, not kid, kid, not kid. Yes. Ah. Yeah. Yes, it'll go way up. Yeah. I love you. Try buy it now. Apparently not. All right, dear. I love you. Bye-bye. Animals, children, wives, or phones. Anyway. Oh, Emma, you have to forgive me that. Anyway. In gaming, gaming is games, games is toys, toys is children. Yeah. Models, apparently, it doesn't matter that it's cast iron and it burns gasoline. And it costs a lot of money just to buy the tooling to build it. It's a toy. Careful, please. I don't know if you're monetized or not. Well, there's Patreon. Oh, by the way, Emma, question. You're a friend, a good friend. I'm going to ask you a question. Now, I know you will answer honestly. I will forgive you if you be a little bit funny and say, no, dear, the Toreador pants don't make your butt look fat. God did that long ago. I'll forgive something like that. Are you back up off the floor now? Do you think Poppy's Workshop could do good things on Patreon? Look at Poppy back in the shop for today's date. It's posting approximately the same time as this one. Anyway, tell me. I'm going to send you an email anyway to ask you, but this way I get a little bit more content, and we all need a few minutes of clean content, don't we? Good night.